Well, tonight, chicken shawarma on my Weber over charcoal. So I better get going or I'll be late. Welcome back to the Rural Dad. And then while I'm waiting for my charcoal to get nice and hot for my chicken shawarma, I'll let you in on a little bit of what it's about. So you've got a whole bunch of spices, and I will put a recipe down below and probably on my website, theruraldad.com, which consists of lemon juice, olive oil, some garlic, salt, pepper, all those spices I mentioned before. And then you're gonna have a yogurt sauce with Greek yogurt, more garlic, and some more spices, and the chicken itself. So what I've had is the chicken marinating in a bag with all those spices and the oil and the lemon juice all day. You can do it overnight, you can do it up to 24 hours. And then I'm gonna put it on a barbecue. I'm gonna cook it over some high heat, each side, a few minutes on each side until it's cooked. Everything else is gonna be ate on, I got some pita bread, and we're gonna eat it with probably some cucumber, some lettuce, and tomatoes. You put the yogurt sauce on and everything else in, wrap it up, away you go. Okay, so here it is. I have 2 chicken breasts in here, completely thawed. They've been in this mixture all day. I started this morning with this. So I'm gonna try and fish these out, get them on the Weber, and cook, okay, because it's 6 at night and I'm hungry. Let's see if I can get marinate out on these things, coat them real good. Really, I'm having a hard time keeping my beer cold without my Yeti tonight, but doing what I can. So I did find an adapter on Amazon.com, and it says it ships to Canada. So I'm gonna give it a go, see what happens, because it would be nice to fit these tall boys in one of those Yeti coasters, so I can keep my beer cold, which I'm not able to do tonight. But I mean, you can't ask for too much, right? So anyway. Okay, I'm just gonna try and get a temperature probe in one of these. I don't want to overcook my chicken. Oh, if you could just smell this right now, it's incredible. Well, it's not burning yet, so that's a good sign. All right, so we have achieved chicken doneness for chicken breast. So I'm gonna take these and I will put them on this here piece of tin foil. There's one, and there's 2, and I'm just gonna wrap them up. And like everything, I'm gonna let them rest for a few minutes, take them inside, and we're gonna have chicken shawarma for dinner. So I'll take a shot at what it looks like after, but other than that, thanks for enduring this painful barbecue session with me. And like I say, keep your beer cold with a Yeti Coaster. I'm gonna put a link in below for Amazon, where you can buy a Yeti and keep your beer cold, because like you can see, I'm having a really hard time with that tonight in this heat. So like I said, thanks for watching. I'll give you a shot of what this looks like all done, and until next time, please and thank you for sticking with me. All right, cheers.